In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Wells Fargo locations near me. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Wells Fargo locations website. This is the official locator page where you can search for nearby Wells Fargo bank branches and ATMs. Using the official site is helpful because it gives you the most accurate and up-to-date location information. Once the page loads, look for the section on the home page that says you can find a Wells Fargo bank or ATM near you. This is the main search tool you'll use. It's designed to help you quickly look up locations based on where you are or where you want to search. Take a moment to make sure you're on the search area before moving on. Next, click into the search bar and type in your location. You can enter an address, a city and state, or just a zip code, depending on how specific you want your results to be. For example, entering a full address may help narrow things down more precisely, while a city or zip code can give you a broader list of nearby options. After typing in your location, press enter on your keyboard to run the search. After that, the nearby results will appear on the left-hand side of the page. This results panel will show the Wells Fargo locations that match your search area. You can review the list to see what's available nearby and compare the options shown. This makes it easier to identify the most convenient branch or ATM based on your location. As you go through the results, it can be helpful to look carefully at the details shown for each location. In many cases, the listings can help you distinguish between a full bank branch and an ATM, which is useful if you need a specific service. If you don't see exactly what you need right away, you can try adjusting your search by entering a different address, a nearby zip code, or a larger city area to expand your results. That's all it takes to find Wells Fargo locations near you using the website. It's a simple process. Go to the locator page, find the search section, enter your address, city and state, or zip code, and then review the nearby results shown on the left side. If you follow these steps, you should be able to quickly find a convenient Wells Fargo bank or ATM in your area.